Audi A4 2011. Customer wanted to opt in for CarPlay on his original screen. So this one here, if I start the vehicle up, the system will display. Obviously, the way that this system works is it's using an AUX source. So currently right now, it turned on the CarPlay for us. Now, to use the system, obviously we have multiple ways. We have the scroller on the steering wheel, which is just there. We also have a touchscreen capability of swiping and using the touchscreen. Now this is obviously an optional extra you can put on for yourself. Obviously the customer opted in to have this. Now it works wirelessly through your device, and you also have the USB connection, which on this case we've managed to put here for the customer. This was requested by him himself. Now in terms of the functionality on this, obviously volume up and down will work as normal, text to speech will work as normal, Siri as well, that can respond. So what we'll do is, if I go to here, I'll show you the maps, just like that. And if I wanted to activate Siri, I can press and hold down here, it will activate Siri. Again, vice versa, if you wanted to use your scrolling button, we can go all the way down to the left hand side and we can press and hold here and it will activate Siri as well. Now in terms of obviously the CarPlay system, I'll turn the volume up so you can hear what it would be like. So for an aftermarket device, it doesn't actually affect any type of sound quality. As long as you have CarPlay ready apps, they will display up on here. If I go to phone calls, it will display through here as well. So we've got a keypad, got the maps up here as well. There's your maps. And you can search as well. Spotify.